Hi, so our topic for today, we're gonna talk about the use of Python literals and the data manipulation tools that is applied in Python programming. In this chapter, you will learn to code your first program in Python. So, our first topic po, the instruction. Um, so, maggawa lang tayo ng ating unang example. 3 open parenthesis, then I can show you oh, so makikita nyo dito na dalawang beses tayo gumamit ng print and dalawang separate two lines din ang ginawa natin. So, ito ang tinatawag na instruction. Run natin. So, dapat ganito ang kalalabasan niya. Two separate lines. Like this. So, if you want naman na I can show you the world and then backspace and then the line. So, ito ang gagawin natin. Print, open close parenthesis, and then quotation mark. Yan. So, run. Yan. So, ang kalalabasan niyan, since wala nang laman yung ating pangalawang nilagay sa gitna, in additional sa gitna, ang kalalabasan niyan is magiging hiwalay sila. Bali, magkakaroon ng space sa gitna and then shining shimmering splendid. Yun. So, next. So, pangalawa, escape and the new line characters. So, in this second topic natin, second program natin, gagamit tayo ng backslash. So, this backslash has a very special meaning when you use inside the string. This is called the escape characters. So, it means that the series of characters in the string escape from the moment into this special inclusion. So, itry natin siya gamitin into our program code, for our code. So, I can show you the world, backsplash, and dapat maliit lang lagi siya. And then, print, sa pangalawa naman, backsplash, and yan. So, i-run natin siya. Yan. So, makikita nyo, meron tayong two new lines appear in our song and in the places wherein the backslash has been used. So, yun nga, nagamit natin siya, yung backsplash na nilagay natin sa world is yung kasunod nun ay bumaba, and then yung sa Tell Me Princess na When Did You last time, bumaba din yung kasunod nun. And next, so next na gagawin natin, the keyword arguments. So in this keyword arguments, a word argument consists of 3 elements: a keyword identifying the argument, and here equal sign and the value assigned to the arguments, and the keyword argument have to put after the last of positional argument. So, gawa tayo na ating program. Print, same lang kagaya ng ating ginagawa. Print, open and open and close parentheses. My name is KRIZANE. So for this time, paghihiwalayin natin into, parang nagiging space lang siya, pero paghihiwalayin natin into separate quotation mark. KRIZANE. And then for our end, dito na end nga daw natin ay ilalagay after the last positional argument. So and equal sign, and then yan. So dapat sa end ng quotation mark laging may space, hindi yung magkadikit yung pareho. And then open close parentheses. Next one naman, print close open parentheses using Mendiola. Let's run natin. Yan. So dapat ganito ang lalabas sa kanya. Magkahiwalay sila ng console, pero iisa lang ang output na lumabas. So two lines console, and the output is one line only. Pinagdugtong yung my name is KRIZANE and KRIZANE Mendiola. And then so as you can see, the end keyword agreement determines the characters the print function send to the output once it reaches the end of its positional arguments. That's all. So that's all. I hope na may naintindihan kayo kahit papaano, kahit hindi gaano kaayos yung ating explanation. And I hope na maintindihan nyo pa rin yung pag-program natin. Thank you for watching, and